A special train carrying 290 Naga returnees from Bangalore arrived in Dimapur railway station at around 8:20 this morning. Out of them, 137 are from Dimapur and Perin districts, 37 from Mon, 19 from Tuensang, 17 from Longlang, 18 from Kifire, 4 from Phek, 24 from Zinhaboto, 4 from Mukokchung, 16 from Wokha, and 14 from Kohima district. Team Dimapur, led by Deputy Commissioner Anup Kinchi, received the returnees at the railway station. On their arrival, the returnees from Dimapur and Perin districts were taken to Agri Expo site for undergoing necessary protocols before sending them to the government quarantine centers here. The returnees from other districts of the state underwent thermal screening at the medical counter at Dimapur railway station, given food packets, and then transported to the respective districts by Nagaland State Transport buses accompanied by their liaison officer. It may be mentioned that 49 returnees from Senapati district in Manipur also came from the same train. More than 17,000 people have returned to the state from outside till date after the lockdown was imposed. A senior medical officer has been arrested in Manipur for procuring substandard N95 masks for supply to a district hospital. Dr. M. Dinesh Singh, posted at the Central Medical Store of the Directorate of Health Services Manipur, was arrested, a statement issued by the Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Wing of the State Police said. During preliminary investigation, it has come to light that the accused, also the State Nodal Officer of the State Health Society of the National Health Mission Manipur, had played a key role in the procurement of substandard medical protective gears including N95 masks for supply to Churachandpur District Hospital. The arrested person will be produced before the court of the Special Judge, Imphal West. Assam government has decided to impose a total lockdown in Golaghat town, officials informed. The lockdown, which will be imposed from 7 p.m. tonight, will be enforced for the next 8 days. An order issued by Golaghat District Magistrate Bibhash Chandra Modi stated that total lockdown will remain enforced till 7 p.m. of July 17th. There has been a spike in COVID-19 cases in recent times in the town, which poses a threat to public health, the order said. Unless stringent measures are put in place to contain the coronavirus outbreak, there may be large-scale spread of incidents of COVID-19, the order added. As per the order, movement of all vehicles, the opening of government and private offices, markets, shopping complexes and shops dealing with non-essential activities will not be allowed during the period. It may be mentioned here that a total of 617 COVID-19 cases have been reported from Golaghat district so far. Meanwhile, West Karbi Anglong Autonomous District is witnessing a sudden spike in COVID-19 positive cases. On July 5th, 3 ASHA workers of Kheroni Health Center tested positive. A few days later, on July 8th, 2 constables of Kheroni Police Station and 1 person who returned from Maharashtra have also tested positive. 5 executive members of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council tested positive. 3 personal bodyguards of 2 executive members from Assam Police Battalion, a driver and others closely associated staffs of few government officers have also tested positive. In what is going to boost the morale of sports lovers, Union Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju said the government has asked every state to adopt 1 sport each and focus on its development in a bid to achieve more medals at the Olympics. Rijiju, who was speaking at a webinar on the role of corporate India for Fit India, organized by ASSOCHAM, said the corporate sector will also be told to do the same. The minister reiterated that India can finish in the top 10 of the medal tally in the 2028 Los Angeles Olympics. He said, "I have set a target that India should be in the top 10 by 2028 Los Angeles Olympics. But India will not reach there by just setting a target." Rijiju said 14 sports have been identified as priority disciplines which will be developed as medal prospects for the Olympics. A country the size of India won't be playing just 1 or 2 disciplines. We have identified 14 disciplines as priority sports like archery, wrestling, boxing, hockey, shooting, etc. But besides that, I have kept the option open for more, he said. With increasing number of COVID-19 positive cases all across the nation, the COVID-19 status of the northeastern states are Arunachal's tally rose to 287 positive, 176 active, and 109 recovered with 2 deaths. Assam's tally has gone up to 14,033 positive cases, 5,279 active, 8,727 recovered, and 24 deaths. Meghalaya's tally has gone up to 112 positive, 66 active, and 45 recovered with 1 death. Manipur's tally has risen to 1,435 positive, 642 active, 793 recovered. Mizoram's tally stands at 203 positive, 60 active, 143 who have recovered. Nagaland's tally has gone up to 673 positive, 369 active, 304 who have recovered. Tripura's tally rose to 1,773 positive cases, 435 active, and 1,324 who have recovered, with 1 death. Sikkim's tally stands at 133 positive, 49 active, 71 who have recovered. Total number of COVID-19 cases in the Northeast stands at 18,649 positive cases, 7,076 active cases, 11,516 who have recovered, and 28 deaths as of July 9, 2020. From all of us here at NE Aid, stay strong and stay safe.